Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars Anything. Today we're priming up the 400, and I've done some priming already on it. What I did is I took an old distributor, used the bottom shaft. It's got a hex on the end down there. Shoved that down in the, you want to get her down in that oil pump down there. Make sure it slides down there. There it goes. And then you want to go counterclockwise now. Don't go clockwise. You want to go counterclockwise because the distributor rotation is counterclockwise. And then go until the oil comes out through like that. Now I've done a little priming already, so it doesn't go that fast. Then I rotate the motor a little bit and I do some more. But remember, the drill has to go counterclockwise. That's the way the oil pump works, not clockwise. Counterclockwise. So that's the rotation. Because the distributor's in the front. If it was in the back, then it's clockwise. If it's in the front, it's counterclockwise. 426 Hemi is the same. All big block Mopar is counterclockwise. Okay? So then once you get that all primed, you pull this out, like so. And I'm going to hoist this thing quick over here. There we go. Okay. Now, what you're going to want to do next, let's see here. You're going to want to take the distributor drive gear. Okay. Now when this thing is installed, okay, you want this thing to be pointing with the center line of the crank. Not this way. You see that flat where the distributor goes in? Not this way. But you want it to be even with the center line of the crank. Okay? So what we're going to do, and it's knurled. You can see the gear is at an angle. So you got to drop it in, and then it's going to turn. So you got to keep trying it until you get that, and I'll show you what the finished product is here. Let's see. Let's get her started here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it about that far. You can see it's off, you know. And I'm going to push it down. Okay, here, I got to put you on pause for a minute here. One thing I need to mention here, before we go any further, you have to make sure this motor's on number 1. Okay? So first of all, let's see. This is so hard to do one-handed here, guys. Bear with me, okay? Please. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm trying to bring the light down here so we can see it, hopefully. Okay, you see the timing mark there? You see it's on 0? Okay, can you see that? It's hard to see, I know. But you can see the hole in the timing tab, and you see the mark on the balancer. Now, to make sure that's on number 1, then you go over here. Then you look, and I don't know if you can see that. See the pistons up on top dead? See that? You can see the piston through the spark plug hole. And another thing is the rocker arms loose. Yep. So both valves are closed. So right now it should be going bang right now. Okay? So that's how you check to make sure your motor's on number 1. That timing mark will come up and it's going to be 180 off, and the piston's going to be at the bottom of the cylinder. You want that piston on the top like I just showed you. You want the piston on top. You want both of the intake and exhaust valve loose. Okay? So you know the piston's on top dead. So it's on a compression. Now it's going to be power. It's going to go bang and go down. Okay? Then when it comes up, then the exhaust valve will open. So again, to make sure it's on number one, both the rocker arms are loose. Piston is on top dead center. You can see it there. She's right at the top. Rocker arms are loose. And then the time mark is on 0. Okay? Hopefully we can kind of see that. Right there, you can see it. See it down there? So now we know this motor's on number one without a doubt. It is on number one. Okay? So I'm going to put you on pause here for a minute. Alright, I'm back again. Now, I'm trying to give you guys bird's eye view, but I'm having issues here trying to get some light down there. Okay, I hope you can see that. Now, I slid the gear down, but it's not down all the way. I like these long pliers, you know. So, let's see. God, I hope that's working. So now, because I can grab a hold of this gear and play with it a little bit. Yeah, that's too far. Oh, that looks like that's, see, that's a notch off. I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping you can. I believe you can. Okay, see, that's not right. It should be going straight across. So it's one gear off. There it is. See that? That is perfectly on number one. I hope you can see that. But it goes parallel with the crankshaft. So in other words, it's a straight back and straight to the front, the line. You know, not left to right, but from the back to the front. It should be straight. It should be in parallel, and that is perfect. So now we're ready for the distributor. Okay, so I got to unpackage it, so hang tight. But that long pliers, that works good for that. Am I recording? Or did I just screw this all up? Oh yeah.